Flowers growing on ruins like a small spark I won't drop. Counting the marks I made on the road and the ones I skipped. If doubt draws circles around my feet, I redraw the ground. I turn toward the map inside my chest and take one step. I move forward where yesterday said stop. I carve a path where walls pretend to be sky. If the world forgets my name, I write it in stride. Today